Our name is Legacies, and we did an application for the Android platform for Grand Valley State University. Let's just open up the app here. And right off the bat, our home screen shows up. And on the home screen, it cycles through all of our images in our database that has a contributor image on it who's donated to Grand Valley and has buildings named after it. So this is just a cycling loop for images. If you click on the directory, we have a tab layout at the top for navigating throughout the application. So when we click on directory, it opens up the directory here and has a list. Right now it is sorted by name alphabetically. You can sort by 3 different options: name, campus, and here's a loading screen with a couple tidbits that shows facts about Grand Valley. So you can scroll through and look at all the buildings at the Allendale campus here. If we scroll down, you can see that it has the Pew campus here. And then also you can sort by distance from where you're at. And you can see the place where the letters were from the sorting before is replaced with mile markers. So this shows how far away we are right now from, this is showing the Pew campus, and it's accurate to the 100th of a mile, and that uses your GPS settings. So from any of these pages on the directory, you can click on the page and it'll open up a profile page for the sole contributor for that building. So here we have William Seidman, and he's contributed to 3 buildings on campus. And if you want to look at a detailed view of those buildings, you can just click on an image and it will pop up with a zoomed in view. And using the back button that all Android phones have, you just click that and it takes you back here to a little description about William Seidman. And this is just scrollable. And let's find an example of someone who has more than one contributor. So the Cook DeVos Center has 2 contributors. And so we have the Cooks, and if you swipe to the right, it'll show DeVos. You can also use the arrows on the bottom for the swipe technique. So to go back, from here you can list from a building view or a donor view. So here's the donor view. And we can go back to the building view. And also we have a live search bar. So if you want to search for Keller, you just type in Keller. And after about a second of inactivity, it will automatically search. And pulls up the Keller Engineering building. And that is the only page for him. So let's go back and look at a different tab. So here's our Near Me tab. This populates every building that's in the database that has a donor associated with it, and puts a waypoint on the maps. We're using Google Maps here. We have a couple features that we've implemented. We have zoom buttons on the bottom right to zoom in and zoom out. We also have a My Locations button, so if we click that, it'll take you to where we are. And then we have the menu button that has multiple options on it. So if we want just a standard map view, hybrid view, satellite view, we'll click satellite view. And we can zoom to different campuses if we want by clicking go to Allendale or go to Pew. And if we click on one of these waypoints, it'll just show the name of the building and what campus it's associated with. You can go down to Pew campus. Zoom in a little bit. So basically that's our maps. And our final tab is our giving tab. Since this application is geared towards givers to Grand Valley and shows all the contributions from people like Keller and DeVos, we have it built into the application to donate to the Laker Legacies at Grand Valley. So built in directly, you can donate. You just got to fill out some information. This is all handled by Grand Valley's web team. And yeah, it's just a simple web page built into the tab. And here's back at our home screen.